It's a river to winter, sea calm, sea sad. The river are ready to flood. The storm and the wind caught the right in my skin, but she caught the right in my blood. I was looking for trouble to tangle my line, but trouble come looking for me. I can't I was standing on treacherous ground. I was sinking our festering free. We were scheming, idolize. She left me here in half. A storm and a wind caught the root in my skin, but she caught the right in my blood. I would not be asking, I would not be seen, a begging on mountain or hill, but I'm ready humbling with my hands tied to him. I've neither a mind nor a will. We were scheming, idolize. She left me here in the half. A storm and a wind caught the right in my skin, but she caught the right in my blood. It's bitter, the needle, the pure ditching boy. You'll always believe what they say. They tell him it's hard to be honest and true. Does he mind if he doesn't get paid? We were scheming, idolize. She left me here in half. A storm and a wind caught the right in my skin, but she caught the right in my blood. We were scheming, idolize. She left me here in half. A storm and a wind caught the right in my skin, but she caught the right in my blood. Good afternoon. Well, I hope you've had a lovely visit so far and have enjoyed the day so far. I am joined by Rory Matheson, who you might know from Farah. And Graham Rory, who you might know from Nos. So that first song there was a song that was originally written by Richard Thompson of Fairport Convention. Now, apparently, according to Wikipedia, Richard wrote this after reading the Aberdeenshire novel Lewis Grassic Gibbon's Sunset Song, which is set in Aberdeenshire, not too far from where we're at today. Well, a little bit far, but not too far. And he wrote this after reading it, and it was all too fitting to translate the song that he wrote in English back into the Doric dialect of the Scots language. So moving on, I'm going to sing a song that I wrote about two rivers in Huntly. Now, we're kind of north of Inverness, but I'm from an area south, east from here, but northeast in Scotland, and basically, I usually just sing other people's songs or traditional songs. So I thought I would take a stab at writing a song in the Scots language. And basically, the waters meet. That's what this song's called. There's two waters in the town. One is called the Devron, one is called the Bogie. And with them, we have a whiskey in the Speyside Trail, which you might have tasted already. But this song is about returning home, and the place where the waters meet is a place that my dad would take me as a child to, whatever, and then a place that I would go and drink as a teenager. So it means a lot to me, this little area. So the waters meet. as I walk these streets, but you'll meet me where the waters meet. Meet me where the big wheel stood, where we drank our childhood. Name your need to be discreet. When you meet me where the waters meet, meet me by the Devon side, where you thought that I'd forever bide. You'll find a way to feel complete. Find you meet me where the waters meet. And it's hard to feel I'm welcome back again, for no I did was rin and rin and rin. Oh, I feared the karma, the hear back, the drama. See, take a seat and count on me to think on you where I'll be. We'll sit here till we lose your heat. When you meet me where the waters meet, and when it's time to part again, I'll kiss you like you kissed me then. Forgive me as I leave these streets, but we'll meet in Smear where the waters meet. So we're going to carry on, and Graham is going to change instruments. I didn't realise the boys really did not get the memo about the flowery jumpsuits, and I didn't get the memo that the venue was red and that I pretty much join into the walls. So yeah, a lot of the songs that we're singing today, well, pretty much most of them, are in the Scots language. And last night you were treated to Breabach, which is an amazing band, and they sing in English, Scots, and Gaelic. And we have 3 national languages in Scotland: English, Scots, and Gaelic. And with over 1.5 million speakers of Scots, somehow it's not legally recognised as a language yet, like Welsh and Gaelic and Manx. So part of my work is to get it recognised as a language. And this next song is no exception. It was written in 1998 by Davy Steele in ahead of devolution taking place in Scotland, and I think it's a beautiful wee song called Scotland Yet. At least it's not a banjo. Thought all that we hate fertile lowland field. They seem to offer different views when looked at feel within. Can strangers be the only eyes to see it all as yet? The choice will be upon us soon to set to destiny. Oh, and I'll drink our toast to Scotland yet, whatever yet may be. Tongues spark different wise through past to present ties, each separate and yet entwined. It's where a real strength lies. But should Easter and untwine itself, the choice will be upon us soon to set to destiny. Oh, and I'll drink our toast to Scotland yet, whatever yet may be. While we still seek to blame our woes and pains on someone else, we'll never have the strength to solve our problems for ourselves. In truth, we fought each other mere. We'll learn this fear past, and then together we can choose for ourselves at last. The choice will be upon us soon to set to destiny. Oh, and I'll drink our toast to Scotland yet, whatever yet may be. The choice will be upon us soon to set to destiny. Oh, and I'll drink our toast to Scotland yet, whatever yet may be. Whatever yet may be. Whatever yet may be. So, as Lisa said earlier on, I'm super passionate about the Scots language, and last year we had a bit of a kind of landmark win, and Spotify finally added the Scots language to its platform. Because in the back end of Spotify, for musicians, we can go in and we can categorise what language our songs are classed as. And when I get on, I found that all of my songs, despite being in a Scots language, had been classed in English. You could choose any sort of UK minority language like Manx, Gaelic, Irish Gaelic, Welsh, Cornish, amazing. But Scots wasn't listed there. So finally it got listed and I was delighted. And off the back of that, a little browser called Firefox decided that they would invest in the Scots language. And now you can download Firefox onto your laptop and stravage the internet in Scots. And I think that's amazing because for our next generation of young singers, speakers, writers, poets, they know that it's okay to speak their language, because I was told in school to speak proper, and I did a degree in Scots song, and I just hope that the next generation feels like they can sing and speak in their language and not have that stigmatization. So hopefully, with the next song, we can also make sure that our kids are happy with Scots, because some kids, I was a bit of a geek at school, and I loved folk music. Same with these guys, I presume. But not all kids like folk music. Granted, we all love Scots folk music. That's why we're here, right? But not all kids like it. So I decided that I would write the cheesiest folk pop song in Scots in order to appeal to the young kids. And I think I succeeded. Thank you so much. We just have one more song, and I'd like to say a muckle thanks to Showcase Scotland, to Jimmy Troop and Abdi on sounds and lights and recording this, and to Inner Ear and Trad TV, and of course to you all for coming out and investing your time in our music. We are so, so appreciative. And a huge thanks to the loons on stage, Rory Matheson and Graham Rory. Please do keep in touch. I'll be out for a wee blether. This last song was written by the Bard of Dundee, Michael Mara, and it's called Take Me Out Drinking Tonight.
Whiskey and telling our tales, and when my shirt was clean, I was there to be seen. I had clear eyes and my smile never failed. But all of my brothers I met on the way, they were drinking by night, they were drinking by day. I restored to my eyes what was clear and was right. Honey, take me out drinking tonight. Honey, take me out drinking tonight. Bluebells and matches and stains on the table are the sweet smell of the luscious woodbine. Ah, Mr. McEwen, you will be my ruin. I say, but I don't really mind. But all of my brothers I met on the way, they were drinking by night, they were drinking by day. I restored to my eyes what was clear and was right. Honey, take me out drinking tonight. Honey, take me out drinking tonight. I'm still smiling through, though there's stains on my shoes. The right is heavy and the left it is light. If it's left up to you, then I know what to do. Honey, take me out drinking tonight. But all of my brothers I met on the way, they were drinking by night, they were drinking by day. I respond to my eyes what was clear and was right. Honey, take me out drinking tonight. Honey, take me out drinking tonight.
Thank you so much. Graham Rory, Rory Matheson.